Hey, welcome back to this channel. If it's your first time here, a warm welcome to you as well. Let's dive into the game-changer floor cleaning robots. No more weekend warrior vibes pushing a vacuum around. These things are here to make your life easier, cleaner, and cooler. Stick around as we break down the top 5 floor cleaning robots you need to have on your radar. First up, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. This is not just any robot vacuum, it's a cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest messes in your home. This thing is packing serious suction, laughing in the face of pet hair, crumbs, dirt, you name it. Whether it's a quick cleanup or a deep clean, the S9 Plus handles it all with ease. The Roomba S9 Plus boasts next-level mapping technology. It uses advanced sensors and cameras to create an accurate map of your home, ensuring no spot is missed. It learns your home, remembers your rooms, and lets you customize cleaning zones. You can set it to clean specific areas or avoid certain spots altogether. Got a spot where the dog hair collects? This thing will remember and target it. No more manually vacuuming those tricky areas. And the best part is it empties itself. The S9 Plus automatically empties its bin into a base that can hold up to 30 bins of dirt and debris. Now, isn't this amazing? It has a charging base that also acts as a dirt disposal unit. This means less maintenance for you and more time enjoying a clean home. The S9 Plus rocks a sleek, low-profile design that screams premium. It can easily slide under furniture and reach those hard-to-clean areas. Plus, with its smart home integration, you can control it with your voice. Just tell it where to clean and it gets to work. If you're looking for the best of the best, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is in a league of its own. It's the ultimate solution for a spotless home. Next up, the Roborock S6 MaxV is all about intelligence and obstacle avoidance. This robot is designed to make your life easier by seamlessly navigating through your home. Imagine a robot that navigates your home like a pro, dodging everything from furniture legs to stray toys. No more worrying about it getting stuck or causing a mess. The secret weapon? Dual cameras. These cameras help it see and avoid obstacles in real time. It can recognize objects and send you real-time notifications. You'll always know what's happening in your home. This thing packs serious cleaning power too. It's not just about avoiding obstacles, it's about delivering a thorough clean. We're talking strong suction that handles everything from fine dust to larger debris. No dirt is safe, and it doesn't just vacuum, it mops your floors too. Imagine having spotless floors without lifting a finger. With its intelligent obstacle avoidance and versatile mopping feature, the Roborock S6 MaxV is a true jack of all trades. It's the ultimate cleaning companion for any home. Let's talk about the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a full-blown cleaning and mopping machine. It tackles both dry and wet messes with ease. The T8 AIVI's technology is like having a supercomputer on wheels. It identifies and avoids obstacles with incredible accuracy. The mopping system uses a vibrating plate that scrubs your floors clean. With its advanced AIVI technology and powerful cleaning capabilities, the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI is the ultimate cleaning companion. Now, let's talk about the Neato Botvac D7 Connected. Its unique D-shaped design allows it to get right up against walls and into corners. The D7 Connected uses laser-based navigation to map your home with pinpoint accuracy. It creates virtual boundaries and no-go zones for a customized cleaning experience. The D7 Connected boasts strong suction that handles everything from pet hair to fine dust. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that's both powerful and precise, the Neato Botvac D7 Connected is the perfect choice. Let's talk about the Eufy RoboVac 30C, a true game-changer in the world of affordable robot vacuums. This thing is a cleaning beast in its own right, offering performance that rivals more expensive models. It boasts surprisingly strong suction for its size, easily picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. Whether it's crumbs in the kitchen or fur from your pets, this vacuum handles it all. It might not have the fanciest navigation system, but it's incredibly effective at avoiding obstacles. It maneuvers around furniture and other barriers with ease. With its slim profile, it can easily scoot under furniture, reaching those hard-to-clean spots that often get neglected. The Eufy RoboVac 30C offers incredible value for money. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. If you're tired of manual cleaning but don't want to spend a fortune, this is the robot vacuum for you. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine without breaking the bank. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible floor cleaning robots that are changing the game. Whether you're going all in on a premium powerhouse or testing the waters with a budget-friendly option, there's a robot vacuum out there for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Leave a comment below and tell us which is your favorite.